In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make bubble pop particles in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. First, open Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. From there, either create a new world or open an existing world where cheats are enabled. Cheats need to be turned on for particle commands to work properly. If you are creating a new world, make sure you enable cheats before entering the world. If you are using an existing world, confirm that commands are available so you can enter the particle command without issues. Once the world has fully loaded, place your character wherever you want the particle effect to appear. The effect will spawn relative to your current position, so it helps to stand in the area where you want to preview it. After that, press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat window. This is where you will enter the command. Now type this command exactly as shown, /particle Minecraft bubble tilde, tilde 1, tilde 1, 1, 1, 0, 200 force. This command spawns bubble particles around your position. The tildes tell Minecraft to use your current coordinates. The tilde 1 in the middle places the particles slightly above your character. The 3 ones after that control the spread area, so the particles appear across a small space instead of only one single point. The 0 value controls speed, and the 200 value tells Minecraft how many particles to generate. The word force makes the effect visible from a greater distance, which is useful if you want a stronger visual result. After typing the command, press Enter. Minecraft will immediately generate the particle effect in your world. If you want the effect to look different, you can adjust the spread values or the particle count. For example, increasing the spread numbers will make the particles appear over a larger area. Increasing the count will create a denser effect. Lower values will make it look smaller and more subtle. One important note is that Minecraft Bubble Pop is considered an unused vanilla particle in Minecraft. Because of that, its appearance can be limited compared to more active or polished particle types. If the effect does not look exactly the way you expect, that is normal behavior for this particle. If you want to test different variations, repeat the command and change the numbers until you get the result you want. That is the easiest way to fine-tune the effect for builds, custom scenes, or command-based setups. That covers everything you need to know.